Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Cindy, and Cindy was nice enough to show her surgery day, and now she's here 1 year after her procedure, and she's all smiles. She has a great hairline now, a lot more confidence, and wanted to hear from her, what did you think of your experience overall, and how has the past year been for you, Cindy?
Absolutely great. It was everything that I thought it would be, and then some. If I had any questions, I called, spoke with the nurses here, the staff. They got back to me immediately. There wasn't a hiccup that wasn't addressed. It has given me so much more confidence in my day-to-day living. My own hairdresser told me, for those people that have short hair or men who have short hair, nothing to be concerned with. A scar. My hairdresser couldn't find my scar.
Awesome.
And she's done my hair for 20 years.
That's great.
So it's not anything that I would never do again. I have some thinning on the top here, which I'll wait and see. And if the need arises, I'll be back here first in line, first thing in the morning, ready to roll.
Beautiful. Would you do it again if you could?
Oh, absolutely.
Awesome.
Again and again and again.
And she likes
whatever it would take.
You like to wear your hair down in the front, and I guess now if the wind blows or your hair is wet,
I'm not as self-conscious. And before I told you that I wanted to go scuba diving, and I was very concerned. Not anymore.
Awesome.
No,
Awesome.
That's all gone away.
Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to pan in here just a little bit and kind of show everyone. Now she wears her hair nice and natural, and I'm not even going to try to show the scar because I literally couldn't find it for a couple minutes. So I'm going to pull this back here, and you can see one pass. So I'll try to put these kind of side by side. But now she has some real hair in these areas.
Where there was none.
There was nothing there before. That's right. Recreated a hairline. You can see that's real. That hair wasn't there before. So now when her hair blows, it just rolls right down. And this side too.
No longer that male pattern baldness that I didn't think a woman could have.
This is a perfect example of what maybe 30% looks like. So if she ever wanted more density, she could always do a second pass. But again, we're going to wait and see what happens if she has any more additional hair loss in other areas. Maybe we kind of tackle both at once rather than do a little shaving.
Absolutely.
Okay,
No, it's wonderful.
Perfect. Awesome.
I recommend you when I said you were arguably the world's best hair transplant doctor, like Dr. Oz said.
Thank you.
I agree 100%.
Thank you. And you're in the industry, so you're actually giving injections and new cosmetics. So it's nice to hear. So thanks a lot, Cindy, and we'll be following your progress. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.